while we are waiting for the technician to come to fix the hoses, here is all you can see in Idaho. There is not much here to see other than the trees and the snow. And there is a lake on the side. That lake might be frozen already. And there are a few dogs here in these houses. They used to play, but it's too cold for them. All you have now are the birds. The lakes used to have ducks. Might find some now. Because it's too cold, everybody is inside. Even the dogs. No, there is a dog right here. There is a dog. There is one dog sitting right next to that home, right here. Yeah, but it's too cold for him to come and bark on me. Even the dogs cannot do it. What happened to the ducks? The lake is frozen. Did you find anything in this lake now? It's not a lake, it's just a little pond. There is no life in it. There is no life in that lake. There is some life here. If you look at the top here, there is some birds on the trees. Few birds are on the top of the trees. That's all you got.